Hi there. So in this program we are seeing what are classes and objects. So this could be much easier to understand because in C++ we have done the same concept there, and it's more regular than a normal pattern to understand the looping statements. The so first program is that we are going to declare a class that's called product. Creating this class, we are getting the details from the user and displaying the details to the accordingly asked for term. So in C++ we use the inheritance concept to differentiate each class in the setup in the compiler. But in Java we get to choose different classes. Like when you click on there and you create, and you see you get the direct class where you get to enter your name. So the class name is directly created. Same way, we are creating a class called product, and we are writing a code that could take in the data from the user and displaying it on another function. So how do we take in data from a user? In Java we are using something called import java.util.star. Star means all of the elements that are called. So it is set up in the package. Then we use a scanner class using creating an object, a variable to a new scanner, so we can use that term to call out the functions as in member functions for objects. So the product is another class. In the main class is where we are going to set up what it is all about. The same way we are creating the set. You're using the while loop here and giving them options, a set of options that we already created here, entering the product ID, the name of the product, and enter the product cost. We are giving them options. Using switch case, we are calling in each option, and providingly we enter into the called case, and that's how this product is done. Running the program, it is simple as it looks, so nothing is complicated. Here we are adding a product. Let's go product ID 435, product name lace, and product cost let be 500 bucks. Listen is a drink, so costly stuff. So let's display all the products, and there is the product we typed in, and there's the product that's inside. In that way we can add in multiple products. So display product cost, that could show us exactly what is the product we asked for. So look, we have been asked what the product name is. So Laysan is the product. Enter. So it tells us it's 500 bucks. That's the inputted value we've given there, and that's how the product is done. In the second sub of this program is the dog. That's a question where there is this dog which has taken a multiple amount of drink, so whether it can go out for a walk at instance or it cannot. And this is the program we are using multiple classes to declare in certain conditions. The condition is, if the dog has drank the water before 4 hours, it could go for a walk, or if it is done after 4 hours, it cannot go for a walk. Let's see how it is done. So this is the dog class. We have given the variables in data type of integer, so we can take in the values from the user. Let's see what it is, and we're using it as a protected class because that's how it is safe, because of the other classes when we add in some values into the management, there cannot be anything that's gonna shift out to the sort of values. And this is how we are taking in the values from the user, then displaying it. The boolean decides whether it is true or false. So this is the condition. If difference greater than 4, return true, else return false. 4 is the 4 hours. Dog owner here tells the same thing, which it can take for a walk. We're using the dog, it's a class, and the D is the object that's been created for the function. In the main function, we're seeing the class doggy, where we create using the name of class and object name, a variable. So we can create a new one. So this is how we can take in the values. We are calling this a object function using the dot operator and calling the get time and set time, that is taking the values and showing the values what it is. And that's how we call all the things that's happening in different classes out there in different subtiles. We can actually do that in the same program itself in Java as in C++, but this is going to be complicated. We're including a lot of lines down there, so we're just making it simpler. Programming is all about getting it simpler. And there it is. If the condition is true, dog can go for a walk. If the condition is false, dog cannot go for a walk. Running program. Enter the time the dog drank water. Let's take 2. Enter the correct time. The current time is 7. The given time is 2 and the current time is 7. The time after drinking water is 5. That's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 hours from 2 o'clock. Obviously the dog can go for a walk because it's past 4 hours. In another way, let's see, if the dog drank water at 4 o'clock and it wants to go for a walk at 5 o'clock, the difference is going to be 1. Obviously dog cannot go because the given condition is 4 hours past the drinking time. And for the program in classes and objects is made clear. It is way simpler than we thought it is, because it is actually some kind of addition from a C++ program. Thank you.